Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Roku remote back to the Roku device. So this is very easy. Just make sure you have fresh batteries on the back. And if you do not have a sync or a pair button somewhere in here, what you want to do is just press this button combination. And this is very easy. Just press the back button and the home button down at the same time. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And there's going to be a blinking light, you can see it right there, indicating it's trying to connect to your Roku. Just make sure this remote is in clear sight, and it should say this on the screen where it says connecting the remote, and you should be good to go. Now if it still doesn't work, turn off your Roku device and your TV, then remove the batteries from the remote, just like this. You can see the batteries. Remove those, turn on the TV again, and then place the batteries back in when you get to the home screen, and then hold down the home button and the back button, and that should fix it. We'll just do a quick restart of this, and then you're good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.